Okay, this is the maiden flight of my little Red 5 Q4. It's the Hubsan H111, I think it is, Nano Quadcopter. So this could go horribly wrong. We've got some really long grass, got a bit of a water obstacle, we've got a bridge over there, we've got a little bit of wind, we've got some more bushes here. This thing has no range, could easily end up in there. Just to give you an idea of the wind generator's going around nicely. So let's see what this thing can do. So that's it in scale with my my B-bot, just to give you an idea. So I'll try not to sneeze, because if I sneeze I'll lose it. It'll be gone. Okay. Wish me luck, guys. Whoops. Well, there you have it. That was the first flight of my little Hubsan H111 Nano. It's the Red 5 Q4. It didn't last very long. Maybe got 3-4 minutes out of it. It's got like 2 speed settings. I had it in the first one at first, and it was struggling in the wind. There's probably about 8-9 mile an hour wind, something. So it was doing all right, really, considering it's meant to be an indoor quadcopter, this one. So I put it in the 2nd speed rate and it was coping a bit better, but it's really twitchy, and it's going to take a little bit of practice. So I ended up doing a bit of grass cutting, more or less, so I didn't end up in that pond or lose it over there, so it's a mission success, I think. Okay guys, thanks for watching, take care, fly safe, bye bye for now.